Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm
Hello?
warning for northeastern Kankakee County,
I just got an EAS.
Illinois, southwestern Lake County and northwest Indiana,
I'm recording it now.
northern Newton County and northwest Indiana until 6:45 p.m. At 5:41 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Manteno and moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Bradley around 5:50 p.m., Grant Park around 6:05 p.m., Moments around 6:10 p.m., Hopkins Park around 6:20 p.m., Lake Village around 6:35 p.m., Conrad around 6:40 p.m., Ennis around 6:45 p.m. Other locations affected: Olivet Nazarene University, US 41 Dragway, Interstate 57 between mile markers 313 and 324. Seek shelter in a sturdy structure and stay away from windows until this storm has passed.